includes a powerful grouping feature to allow you to subdivide your contacts, companies, and projects into smaller lists. In this example, we'll talk about company groups, and we'll look at how to create a group, how to add companies to a group, and then how to view the list of all of the companies related to a specific group. It all starts in the Companies module by clicking the Groups tab. Now when you do this, you're going to see the list of existing groups, the number of records that are associated with each one of those groups, and how the groups are shared and who they're assigned to. Now within this list, you can click on any group name here to edit the group name itself or the description of the group. You can check any of the groups there on the left, select the Options menu, and choose Delete Selected if you'd like to delete the group as well. Now deleting a group doesn't have any effect on the companies, in this case, that are associated to this group. It just deletes the group. Now let's add a new group by clicking the big Add a New Group button in the upper right corner. Now in this page, all you really need to do is to provide a group name. Optionally, you can add a description. You could change the sharing so that this group would only be available to just you and not to everybody else in your subscription. And you can change who this group is assigned to instead of you, which is the default. Once you've made your selections, you just click Add This Group, and you're done. Now you'll see our new group, Growing Companies, with 0 members shown in the list. Now let's add some companies to this group. There's 2 ways to do that. The first of which is through the companies list itself. Now you'll notice next to each company name there's a checkbox. So if I select some of these and then choose the Options menu on the right and select Add to Group, I'm presented with a pick list that displays all of the currently existing groups in my Companies module. So I could choose Growing Companies, click Add to Group, and I'm done. So in just a couple of steps there, I've added all of the selected groups at once to one of my group records. Now the other way to add a company to a group is to click it. So let's choose Champion Partners in this example, and navigate to the Groups tab of this company. Doing so displays a list of all the groups this company is currently related to, and if I choose Edit Group Membership, I could add this group to Growing Companies, our example here, as you see. Click Save, and now it shows that this company is related to both the Growing Companies and the Q4 Prospects group. So now let's pull up the list of all of the companies related to this group. So you do that by accessing the Companies module and selecting the Groups tab. So you'll notice next to Growing Companies, it denotes that we have 6 members. If I click the number 6, it takes me to the list of those specific group members. So in this example, I could have thousands of companies in my database, and grouping allows me to subdivide those records and with a single click drill down to a subset of companies as you saw here. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful. Check out all the other ClientLook tutorials in our video showcase for even more tips.